Can you think of a body part that's under more stress than your feet? Probably not, and that's why podiatrists train specifically to care for patients with all types of foot problems. Podiatrists are doctors who focus exclusively on foot, ankle, and lower leg problems. They examine and diagnose conditions, perform surgery, prescribe medications, and order imaging tests. Some of the common conditions they treat include corns, calluses, ingrown nails, shortened tendons, bunions, and cysts. They may perform surgery to reconstruct the foot and ankle or specialize in areas such as sports medicine or pediatrics. They also see many patients with foot problems caused by diabetes. Most podiatrists work in podiatrists' offices. Some work in group practices with physicians or specialists, and others in hospitals and outpatient surgery centers. They may work irregular hours and be on call for urgent cases. Podiatrists must complete at least 3 years of undergraduate training in basic sciences, and most have a bachelor's degree. Next, they must complete 4 years of podiatry school. They are then required to complete a 3-year residency program and must be licensed. It is often said that you can tell a lot about someone's health by simply looking at their feet. This goes to show just how important podiatrists are for keeping patients healthy, active, and upright.